here you can see the second example based on goodness of fit. Fit a Poisson distribution to the following data and best the goodness of fit. This is X and F 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and F is 109, 65, 22, 3 and 1. Assume null hypothesis. What is null hypothesis in goodness of fit? Poisson distribution is a good fit to the given data. To find the goodness of fit of Poisson distribution, we need the mean value. Similarly, we can find mean is sigma x upon sigma f. Sigma xf upon sigma f is multiplying these and find sigma. This is 122 and sigma f, you can add these values. This is 200. This is 0.61. Now what is Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution is nx equal to capital N e ki power minus m ki power x upon factorial x, where factorial x, where the value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see here the value of m is 0.61. Using this value and find the expected frequency, because already you know very well how we can find the expected frequency. By the help of Poisson distribution we can find very easily. Substituting x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the expected frequency. Now substitute all these values in this table. This is x, this is OI and these are EIs. 1, 0, 8.67 we can write approximately to 109. This is 20.22 we can write 20. This is 0.63. This is 1 and the value of n equal to 1, 2, 3. This is this value is 4 and we find OI minus EI, and to find chi-square we can find OI minus EI का whole square upon EI. यहाँ पर हमने फिर ग्रुपिंग की है because these two values are less than 10. यहाँ पर ग्रुपिंग करने के बाद 3 और 4 की ग्रुपिंग करने के बाद एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसी में भी ग्रुपिंग की है and using chi-square calculate OI minus EI का whole square upon EI. This is 0.41515 and again you can see chi-square tabulated values degree of freedom. The degree of freedom of Poisson distribution is n-2 और यहाँ पर हमें ग्रुपिंग करने पर 1 का लॉस हुआ है तो यहाँ हमने -1 कर दिया. So this will 2 and this value we can see at 5%. This is 5.991. Here we can see very easily the value of chi-square calculate is less than chi-square table. That's why here we accept null hypothesis. And what is the significant to accept the null hypothesis? That is Poisson distribution is good fit to the given data. Now this is the most important numerical based on goodness of fit. Records taken of the number of male and female births in 800 families having 4 children are as follows. We have to given number of male births, number of female births and number of families. We have 32 families and in this 32 families we have female is 4 and male is 0 and number of families 178. In 178 families 3 female and 1 male. What we have to discuss here, test whether the data are consistent with the hypothesis that the binomial law holds and the chance of male births is equal to that of female birth. Here we have to given that they are equally. That's why the value of P equal to Q equal to 1 by 2. To verify this given data, we have to assume null hypothesis H0. What is null hypothesis? The data are consistent with the hypothesis of equal probability for male and female births. That is P equal to Q equal to 1 by 2. Now, by the help of binomial distribution, we have to calculate the expected value. And what is binomial distribution? Binomial distribution is NR equal to capital N into NCR P की power R Q की power N minus R. Here we can see very easily N total frequency and NR. What is NR? Number of families with R male children. And P and Q are probability of male and female births respectively. And small n number of children. Now, calculate expected frequency. Substitute R equal to 0. Now, substitute R equal to 0. Here we can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are saying here R. What is R? R is number of female with R male. And in first we are saying here male 0, R equal to 0 and female is 4. So that's why the Poisson distribution is NCR. Capital N is 800 families we have and N is 4. NCR 4C0 R equal to 0 means number of male in the family is 0. P की power R 1 by 2 की power 0, 1 by 2 की power N minus 0. This is, we can calculate, this is 50. Similarly, we can find R equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can find these are expected frequency. Observation frequency we have to given 32, 178, 290 and expected frequency we are finding here by the help of binomial distribution. This value is 50, 200, 300, 250. Again we can find OI minus EI ka whole square, and to calculate chi-square the value is sigma OI minus EI ka whole square upon EI. This value is 19.632. Chi-square table value is n minus 1 at 5%. Table of significance, this value is 9.49 and this value 4 at 5% value, 4 at 5% value. So here we can see that the value of chi-square calculate is 19.633 and chi-square table value is 9.49. That's why H0 rejected. That is, the data are not consistent with the hypothesis that the binomial law holds and the chance of male births is not equal to the female birth.